The check engine light is on because your car's self-diagnostic system identified a problem with the evaporative emissions, or EVAP system. This type of fault is not likely to result in a breakdown that could leave you stranded. Based on the trouble code stored by your car's self-diagnostic system, gasoline vapors may be leaking into the environment. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair. The EVAP system captures gasoline vapors from the fuel tank to prevent them from being released into the environment as pollutants. The system is made up of the fuel tank, a sealed gas cap, gasoline vapor lines, an EVAP canister to store gasoline vapors, and various purge control solenoids. When the engine is off, and also under certain driving conditions, gasoline vapors from the fuel tank are collected and stored in the EVAP canister. When the engine is running and operating conditions are appropriate, a control valve opens and allows the stored gasoline vapors to be drawn into the engine, or purged where they are burned. Your car's self-diagnostic system continuously tests the EVAP system to ensure it is working properly. The tests verify that gasoline vapors are stored without any leakage into the environment, and that the stored vapors are routed to the engine only when appropriate. Your check engine light has come on because a component failure or potential system malfunction has been detected. Based on the trouble code stored by your car's self-diagnostic system, gasoline vapors may be leaking into the environment. A common cause of this problem is a loose, poorly sealed gas cap. Remove the cap and inspect its sealing surface. If there is any damage, replace the cap. Reinstall the cap, making sure it is fully tightened. This is usually indicated by one or more clicking noises. Drive the car for about a week. If the check engine light goes out, the gas cap was the problem. If the light remains on, schedule a visit to your local AAA-approved auto repair facility to have the problem diagnosed and repaired. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair.